Let him in.
He hasn't figured out if it's unlocked.
Let him in.
He finally opened the door. Oh, good.
What is that?
Goo. V1.
V1. Let's compare.
What's that?
Well, Kyle, if you're gonna talk shit, make sure you speak up and.
Look at the camera. Well, I ain't got no truck behind me to look at now, so.
Okay.
We going?
Yeah.
Alright, so last mini trucking Sunday I was absent, and Jake took it upon himself to design the front clip for his truck. It's a good start, but we're gonna make some changes. We move it forward.
You tell me. You're the
Move-
boss here.
move it forward.
Moving backwards.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in backward. And just try not to suck as much this time is what we're trying to do here.
Try not to suck as much as your mom sucks his dick. Run, tell that. We finished up with the LST crunch, and we missed a few Sundays in there. We got back together today. First Sunday we've been able to do in a long time. Seems like a long time. We got the front end of my Toyota pretty much figured out. You see, I didn't take the measurement of where the crossmember goes because I don't fucking care about mini trucks. So now we have to guess. Or put it together and cycle it. What do you think, OP? 26 and a half is going to be 13 and a quarter, so center. And it looks like we're at about
12 and a half.
12 and 3/8.
That's good.
Where's Hanners? We need his good eyeball.
Today we cut all the stuff out that was done when I was gone.
Well, to be fair, I had everything pretty much in there.
To be fair.
And it was just tacked in place, and when we went to move the truck, the tack welds broke and twisted the shit out of the
Looks like that.
front crossmember. So we had to replace it all, and cut it back out, and put a new crossmember in. Basically a version 2. No different than anything else we did.
We made some fine adjustments.
Yeah.
Sanki her şey kayboldu, çok derin hislerim hissettim.
still able to keep Vaughn's arms as part of the build, so we worked around them, used a cross member that works with them, had to raise the steering to clear said arms.
Well, instead of Z in this truck, we cut the original cross member out, raised it up, or built a new cross member that raised the lower control arms up. Therefore, we'd have to raise the steering as well. We still got a little bit of an issue with toe change. We need to raise the steering just a little bit higher. No big deal. We'll change that on another Sunday. When we set out to do this, we talked about doing old school ship, budget build, but doing it with the quality that we do every day.
And today we did not exercise that last part.
Not to its fullest.
Not to its.
I don't see
That.
I think it looks good.
I've been holding that this whole time, just for that. Just when you need it.
Kyle's dumpster diving.
LaCroix. Flammable. That's probably not safe to burn. Probably shouldn't burn that.
Warm?
Very. Yeah, we missed a couple weeks with getting ready for Lone Star and then actually going to Lone Star. We should have had a mini trucking Sunday on that Sunday, but we obviously couldn't. Real happy with the response we're getting from these videos, though. I didn't figure it was going to be this bad, or just us being idiots on the internet, but people just coming up all the time at the booth, not even commenting the trucks or the parts we're making. They just want to know when the next video was. So I guess thanks for not thinking we're a bunch of idiots and watching this.
Doing a good job, Opie.
I still think we're a bunch of idiots.
We are a bunch of idiots, but you got to say thank you. If
Yeah,
you're an idiot or
we
not,
gotta
you
appreciate
say
the
thanks.
fans, you know. I mean, if they like mini truck, it's cool.
I still hate mini trucks.
Oh God.
You realize I've thrown one of these live at Matt Holden, right?
Yeah.
And you ain't gonna do
I ain't scared. We've had a few companies hit us up about want to sponsor each episode, and first person was Lonnie Ford and Todd Hendricks with Garage Gear, and they're gonna send us some shirts, and we're gonna represent, and we'll have hopefully a shirt we can give away. So stay tuned for that. And
I guess that's it. Stay tuned. Next time.
Oh, I've been waiting a long time to see those units tucked.
subscribe
Is it down there or is it over there?
wherever the button's at. Hit it.
You get to put the button wherever you want, though.
Yeah.
You tell us where that button's at.
Did you stub your toe?
No, I tripped trying to kick that out from under you.
Oh, you're trying to kick it out?
Yeah, that's right.
I'm still kind of fat.
Oh, damn it.
The fuck are you doing?
Panther 90s style.
Hey, gangster.
Say, my name's Jake McKitty.
My name's Jake McKitty. Bag shit.
Tag team.
Yeah.
The further we get that forward, the less firewall tubbing we do.
No tubbing. Yeah, you have to tell me.
Look, I'm on 16. So you can't worry about it.
I know, he must be big baller.
So close.
Are you? Is he
One of those mouth dub overs.
So
Don't
like,
start with a big
like we were saying, shut the fuck up.
Start with a shut the fuck up.
Get it, Brody.
I was fucking drinking that.
More.
I want to throw